In the middle of a frozen mountain road, something ran toward destiny.
It wasn't running from danger, it was running to save lives.
He didn't bark, he didn't panic. He chose a human.
Trust doesn't need words. Sometimes it just needs to be followed. Together, they pulled against the mountain, against the storm, against time. And when the world finally stopped shaking, everyone was still breathing. Heroes don't always wear uniforms. Sometimes they have 4 legs and a heart bigger than fear.